Bensonhurst, Brooklyn. At approximately 8:52 a.m. Monday, FDNY units responded to a two-story house fire located 1962 85th Street, Brooklyn Box 2877. Upon arrival, they transmitted the all-hands response. They encountered fire on the first floor with extension to the second floor. Searches for victims were delayed due to heavy clutter. Surveillance footage shows an AC unit falling from the second floor, injuring an FDNY firefighter. According to FDNY, he was rushed to Lutheran Hospital in serious but stable condition. 5 other firefighters were treated for minor injuries. Fire officials say they are currently reviewing the cause of the AC unit falling. A total of 25 units, 106 firefighters were on the scene. The fire was under control at 10:25 a.m.